Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. But to summarize today's price movement and just trading jargon, this is what would be known as a big old gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap if you're new? Well, what that means is on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a very big gap up. The problem is, and this is where things get savage, after the opening bell rang, a bunch of poor souls were buying up around here, and then you can see from that point, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that has taken place, and now it's just really a question of, and this is where this level, I would argue, is very, very important. But that level sits there at $10, which I would call a must-hold level because, and I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to that $10 mark, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it just wasn't. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that $10 mark is definitely a very, very important level to watch moving forward. As far as areas of resistance, if the price does try to come back upwards, first key area of resistance and any sort of attempted bounce can be right there at $10.45. And then after $10.45, next key level right up there around $10.60. So $10.45, $10.60, next couple of key battlegrounds if there is any sort of return back to the upside. But as of right now, the chart is definitely looking very, very shaky, but we'll see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.